Hey, if you're serious about actually bringing agents over under your downline at EXP, then you've got to try this secret weapon that I've been using. It's freaking awesome. It is super cool. It's super easy. It helps people that maybe that are not good with talking to people on the phone or anything like that. This is a great way to use in social to reach out to agents and show them the materials, show them what EXP is all about, and get them excited. So then maybe you can make a warm phone call or whatever, or maybe you can figure out different ways that you want to use it. But I'm telling you, this is like the sickest thing ever. I've for a couple of years now that I've been with EXP. I'm over at the Honey Badger Group with Michael Reese and Jay Kinder, and we used a thing for a while called Expert Mentors. This is actually like Expert Mentors recruiting tool, but like 10 times better. Actually, I think Jay and Mike might be using this now instead of the other one, but I'm not sure. That's just rumor on the street. But anyway, so what this is this is a CRM that has materials, videos that you can actually text, email, or share on social media. You can you share these links. What it does is it tracks those links. If you send it in an email or a text to a certain person, it'll track and let you know when they opened it, if they watched the video, how much of the video they watched. Each time they open it and watch the video, it'll let you know by email or text that they did. And then you can follow up with them if they didn't watch the whole thing, or if they didn't watch it at all. You can always reach back out to them and say, hey, probably not. You probably haven't had time to look at the video. I'm pretty sure you're busy. Do you know when you could look at that video? And love to get your opinion about it. And anyway, that's just one way you can do it. But what this is really cool, I just want to share this because this has helped me add about 12 agents recently to my downline, and it's a super cool tool. I'm just pumped about it. I think this is going to be a huge game changer in our recruiting efforts on my team. And my agents are starting to use this now. And what's really cool about it is it's got all these automations to it. It's got all these materials that you can add. It's got stuff from Brent Gove. It's got the 9-minute explainer video. And it's got all sorts of stuff. It's got the diagram comparing traditional brokerages. If you haven't seen this, it's a super cool one to share with people to let them know that they're renting their brokerage, not an owner of their brokerage, and all that good stuff. So it's got Canadian versions. It's got the Spanish version. It's got all these things. It's got the ability to upload your own videos. You can actually record a video of yourself and screen capture to send to your prospective agents. It also has, you can upload a video from YouTube or Vimeo if it's public commons or whatever, Creative Commons or whatever it's called, and you can use that if you're allowed to use that video. And you can also put your clients in here if you want to send them videos, or maybe some vendors you want to do work with. It's got a ton of stuff. It's super cheap. There is a free trial, so go try this. There's a link in the description that you can click on. It'll take you to the trial page and more information about it, or you could go to the URL that's on the screen here. But anyways, here's CRMGrow's explainer video about it to give you a little more detail and probably speak better than me. But I just wanted to share this with everybody and let you know that it's out there. So if you're serious about building your revenue share and your downline, this is a great tool.
CRMGrow, the quickest, easiest way to attract agents and grow your revenue share income. As you know, recruiting real estate agents to EXP is a life-changing opportunity. And the success of your efforts depends heavily on knowing when and how to follow up with your prospects. Would professional videos explaining EXP help you attract more agents? With CRMGrow, you're never in the dark. You'll always know when to reach out, recall what was discussed last, and most importantly, know how much of the recruitment video the prospect watched. Let's take a look at how CRMGrow works. This recruiting tool will help you stay organized with your agent attraction efforts and includes video screen tracking to make it the most effective yet easiest way to build your downline. CRMGrow is so easy to use. EXP agents just like you look forward to using it every day. Right when you log in, you'll see our uniquely designed action buttons. Adding a new contact, scheduling follow-up, taking notes, or sending emails, all these activities can be done within seconds. On the dashboard, you'll see your scheduled follow-ups, and everything you need to get done for that day, tomorrow, and beyond. Below that, you can review in real time your entire account activity, so you always know who is reviewing the recruiting videos you shared. Now let's see how you can use CRMGrow to contact, manage, and recruit real estate agents. Let's say you just connected with a new agent and you want to send them some information on the EXP brokerage model. Just click Add Contact, input their information, and then choose an EXP explained video you'd like to share with them. It's really that simple. Now let me show you how we track their engagement. The agent will be emailed or texted the video of your choosing. Upon clicking the link from their email or text message app, the agent will be brought to a video landing page, complete with your contact information, so your prospect always knows who to respond to. You'll be notified as to how much of the video they watched every time they view it. Our screen tracking capability is the #1 feature of CRMGrow and why so many EXP agents are exploding their revenue share income. No other platform integrates screen tracking intelligence quite like we do. It's time to start converting your prospective agents into your downline today.